everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the most powerful updates that happened inside Odoo 19.2, the integration between field service module and the planning module. So basically, this update makes scheduling, task management and the resource management much more easier. So let's see here, I'm at the dashboard of planning module and I'm so excited to show you guys. So you all know that what you mean by a field service module and planning module. So the field service is actually managing on-site jobs like repairs, installation and maintenance. For the planning module, it's actually scheduling the employees' shift and task. So both need to integrate each other for a better working ambience to give your employees and for your business as well, right? So what's new in Odoo 19? Now Odoo has fully integrated these two core modules with each other. That means actually you can create a field service task directly from the planning module, assign employees to a specific shift, managing everything from one place, and there we have maps and so much more things. So let's move on to that. So here I'm at the dashboard. If I'm just clicking on to create a new planning shift, now you can see we can simply enlarge this by clicking on this option. Okay, I'll show you what are the changes that happen inside here. So first of all, you can simply manage your field service tasks inside while you are just creating any kind of shift to your employees. Like here, you can add two more resources, like multiple resources at a time. Like in the previous planning module, you can only assign one of your resource, which means an employee, to any particular shift. But here onwards, you can add multiple employees. So there we have a conflict. I'm just going to add Emmy Watson. So there we have another conflict. No problem. It shows a trigger warning that there we have conflict. And no problem. I'm just going to provide its Bati, and let me provide one more thing, which is Audrey Peterson's. Okay, so there we don't have any conflict. No, we have conflict. It's okay. Let me provide this as Anita Oliver. So like this, you can add multiple employees at one time, and you can add any of the project that ongoing. So if I'm just providing the project as a field service, because we need to integrate with each other, if I'm just providing it as like that, I can also provide which task is actually going to happen there. So here I'm just going to provide the task as filter replacement or any other thing. So let me provide this as boiler maintenance. And there you can see it's auto-populated the customer name. And there we have a worksheet template. And there we have the allocated time. And you can also provide any kind of break time for these two employees. Okay. So once you're done with that, there you can also find field service task stages, like if it's in draft stage, if it's in schedule, progress, and complete as well from here itself. Okay. So once you're done with that, you can publish and it will be recorded inside your planning module and as well as your field service task. Okay. And there we have the worksheet that the employee can easily manage the worksheet by providing the manufacturer serial number, intervention type, description, intervention and day, everything by creating or providing the worksheet template from here itself, and you can simply publish this. By moving on to the configuration itself, here inside the planning module, we have the worksheet template to create them and as well as the product itself. And moving on to the maps itself, you can now find the on-site working schedule of your employees or your resources by clicking on there for each of your resources, which means your employees from here itself. So there we have the map view which comes inside Odoo 19.2. And yeah, that's all about the main feature that actually comes up in the planning module that actually integrate your planning modules and field service module very easily. So I hope you all understood this video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another tutorial or the updates in Odoo 19.2. So till that, stay tuned for another video. Bye-bye.